This is going to be wonderful. I'm going to read to you a story about winter. It's called Bear Snores On. There's many of these books, but we're going to read Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, Bear slept there. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, the night sound growls, but Bear snores on. And an itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creak calls in the cave from the fluff of the cold snow. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff, sniff at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey," to the badger with a grin. "Let's divvy up and dive right in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren. Everyone clutters in the great Bear den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear go, "Achoo!" And he blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls, Bear roars and he rumbles, Bear jumps and he stomps, Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear day, Bear and his friends snore on. The end.